my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger step by step. Today we will learn how to change group name or photo. Let's get started and see how can we do that. Click on Signal app icon. Select group which you want to change name and photo. Click on three dots which shown on top right. Click on group setting. Click on pen here. Change name of group. Now we change it group name. Let's change the picture. Click here. You have two options. The first one is take photo directly. The second one is to choose from gallery. Let's try the second option. Choose from gallery. Select the photo which you want, like this. Fit picture. Click on OK which shown on top right. Press again OK. Click on save. Now group name and photo changed. That's it. If this is your first time or watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment. We will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.